Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to pre-market update. This morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, PPI report came and future jumped. Like PPI came lower than expected and future jumped significantly. They were already near first standard deviation, which is usually a good shot, and then they came and touched second standard deviation, which is like really better shot. The higher it goes, the better it is to short. Right now, it's just sitting on the first short level. Still, it can go lower because you can see triple Q Nasdaq is up 0.5% pre-market. So most likely they're going to sell off at market open, trying to fill this gap. Okay, so don't be a hero. Wait for it to fill the gap, and then let's see if it recovers after that or not. And I think it's same story. Every index, you can see S&P 500, same story, and Bitcoin also. You can see, boom. Oh, Bitcoin is actually on third standard deviation. Really, really good shot here. You can see Bitcoin came to the buy zone here yesterday. Very, very nice buy. Here you go. And then boom, like amazing trades here. I shared this for free. If you're interested, there's a link in the description. Join my Discord channel. I shared screenshot of this level for free. All you need to do is join and see, keep an eye on it. Okay, so that's where we are. Let's look at some other charts, long-term charts. Guys, hit the like button as I'm going through these. Appreciate that. This is VWAP chart. Nasdaq is now above this second VWAP. This is a lot of short sellers probably going to jump and start shorting because this is really, it's probably going to come back to this neutral line at some point. This is not where it's going to be sustainable, so it's going to eventually come back. This is S&P 500, same story here. Probably it's going to come back to neutral line. So again, not a time to buy or be here or here. Okay. Um, Apple, I just wanted to see because Apple, I'm looking to get into this gap fill around 290, but it looks like it could come lower to 214. But let's see what they do. Let's go to daily chart and see how things are going up. So you can see SPX yesterday also still holding strong above all moving averages with multiple gaps. You can see all these green lines, gaps to fill. So far, dips have been very, very shallow, and I'm waiting for this. Let's see how much this dip will be. Usually, September, October is very volatile. This is live market. You can see now we just made a new high, still with divergence on PP and RSI. Okay, so let's see what they want to do. Again, this is going to be opening on a gap up. Probably they're going to come um, put it down to fill some of these gaps as the market starts. This is Bitcoin. Oh, before I go there, sorry. MNQ. Also, you can see touching the previous high, equal high here. And in terms of gaps, you can see even it yesterday yesterday's gap is also not filled, and even today it's also going to be another gap up. So you're going to see from here to here. If I hide extended, it's not letting me do that for some reason. If I go to regular trading hours, you can see again today also opening on a gap up here. You can see here. So probably they're going to start at market open, dump it, and try to fill this gap. Mostly NVDA is helping with all the, again, it's opening on a huge gap up, probably going towards this now next gap target here, 180. All right, that's what they're trying to do. And let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also trying to go, I think Bitcoin is filling this gap, going to go towards 116,810. This gap fill. So, and then after that, they will decide if they're going to break it down, they're going to keep going higher. This is it. We'll know after that gap fill. Looks like they want to go higher there. Ethereum just going to follow Bitcoin for now. In terms of stocks, I'm looking to buy, again, I said Apple. Um, had a nice high, low. This gap is probably definitely a fill, maybe most likely today. So I'll be putting an order here and let's see what they do after that. But for now, that's what my plan is. For Tesla, my plan is also on this gap fill around 339. So let's see if I can get any of these two. I'll be looking to buy those. Other than that, I don't see anything else too interesting. Netflix is Uh, okay, nvda I said already opening on a gap up. avg also opening on a gap up. So again, they might after market open, they could start selling off really heavily. So just be very careful, guys. Here, don't get too blindsided into all this. Bond market also looking good. Um, Hang Seng Index, China also looking. It's mainly because of Baba. China is going high. You can see Baba massive, massive, massive pumps since earnings, just straight up made new high compared to previous high. This high here. And in terms of commodities, crude oil again jumping, bouncing. Every time it goes to green zone, it gets support. Natural gas after 9 count sell signal, I sell. I said I'm going to stay away, and it got declined here. Gold just going exponentially higher. Very, very overbought. Let it do its thing. I'm not touching gold here. Silver, same thing here. Copper just doing a bear flag. Dollar index DXY is here. Again, coiling, I think. We'll see what happens. But if dollar breaks out, that means something is happening with the US economy. Shopify had a decline. I could be going to fill this gap at 150 today. We'll see. And in terms of any other stocks, CNI is very interesting because it's right now at previous low. Okay, you can see it bounce here last time, so could be a good buy here. So I will be keeping an eye on CNI as well. Actually, I'm gonna move it up so that this is one of the other stocks I want to keep an eye on. And then the other ones are TMX Group and then CSU. So we'll see which of these will bounce. And then VIX lastly, let's see if it's getting any, still no buy signal yet. So VIX probably going to decline. I'm waiting for 7 or 8 counts on VIX to see when the stock market decline will start. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Quick and short. Anything else you want to know, put a comment in the description. I'll review it later. Okay, bye.